If you're trying to see your Steam password while you're already logged in, here's the important truth right away. Steam does not let you view your current password in plain text inside the app. That's by design, and it's there to keep your account secure. So if you were hoping to reveal the password directly from Steam, that option simply isn't available. But don't worry, because if your goal is to get back into your account or update your login details, there is a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to handle it, and I'll also share a quick pro tip that may help you recover a saved password if you stored it in your browser or password manager. Before we begin, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're inside the Steam client, look to the top left and click on your account name, or go to the menu area where your account options are shown. From there, open Account Details. This is where Steam keeps your account information, security settings, and recovery options. Inside Account Details, look for Account Security. This section is where Steam manages your password, Steam Guard, and other security settings. Now, if you don't know your current password and you need to change it, click on Change Password. Steam will not show you the old password, but it will let you reset it securely. At this point, Steam may ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your setup, that could be through your email address, Steam Guard on your mobile device, or another verification method linked to your account. Follow the prompts carefully. If Steam sends a code to your email or mobile app, enter that code exactly as shown. This confirms that you are the account owner and allows you to continue. Once verification is complete, you'll be able to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you have not used before and make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. After entering the new password, save the changes and then sign out and back in if needed to make sure everything is working properly. Now, here's the key thing to remember. Steam will not display your current password anywhere, so if you only wanted to see it, that isn't possible inside the client. However, if you previously saved your Steam password in your browser, your password manager, or on your phone, you may be able to find it there. For example, if you use Google Chrome, open Chrome Settings, then go to Passwords. Search for Steam or store.steampowered.com. And if the password was saved, you can view it there after confirming your device password. If you use another browser or a mobile password manager like iCloud Keychain, Samsung Pass, or a third-party manager, check there as well. This is often the fastest way to recover a password without resetting it, as long as you saved it previously. If not, the Steam password reset option is still the best and safest solution. So to recap, you cannot directly see your Steam password while logged in, but you can reset it through account details and account security, and you may also find a saved copy in your browser or password manager if you stored it before. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple software tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.